friends, we are back with a new video on week 2 of Artificial Intelligence by Accenture. Click on week 2. Click on the first video. You can read each and every module. After reading, click on the next button to move on to the next module. By this, you have to complete every modules. Click on the I button above to watch the video of week 1 solutions. Or you may check the description box for the link of the previous video. In Module 2, there is no quiz. Week 3 consists of quiz. Once completing the Week 3, you will get your certificate. Stay tuned for the Week 3 solutions.
Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to watch our latest videos.